Okay, you guys, we're at the beach. We're gonna get ready to say happy birthday to my mom. Come on, everybody. Let's do it. Didn't work right on live, so y'all ready? Let's say happy birthday again. We didn't get a chance to do it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama, Granny, Nana. Happy birthday to you. We love you and miss you. Happy birthday. You ready? Here they go.
Let it go. Let it go.
There they go. They're gone. There they are. Look at them balloons go.
Grandma, what is the pink on the star?
I don't know. I wasn't paying attention.
Was the pink on the star or her?
We didn't pay attention. I done made it this far now. No twins, we about to go. Guys, enjoying this beautiful weather. Today is my mom's birthday. She was 71 today. Just out here at the beach. Pretty much a lot of people out here. Leave now. We set up the balloons, you know, and so that was beautiful. I thank God for my family and being here with me. So here we are. Oh, and we're on our way back now. So praise the Lord. Come on, I'll be back, Daddy. You're here. Let's go.